In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Form responses. First, make sure you're signed in to the same Google account you used to create your form. Then, open Google Forms and select the form whose responses you want to download. You can do this by going to your Forms list and clicking on the form's title to open it. Once your form is open, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see two main tabs: Questions and Responses. Click on the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms collects everything people have submitted. Take a moment to look through the summary, question, and individual views so you know what kind of data you're about to download. At the top right of the Responses section, you'll see a small icon that looks like a green spreadsheet. This is the link to Google Sheets. If you've never connected this form to a spreadsheet before, Google Forms will prompt you to either create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. For most people, creating a new spreadsheet is the simplest choice because it keeps all the responses neatly organized in one dedicated file. Give it a clear name so you can easily find it later. Then confirm to create the sheet. Google Forms will now open that spreadsheet in a new tab. Each row represents one response, and each column represents a question from your form. This is the data you're going to download. Before you export it, quickly scan the sheet to make sure everything looks correct. Check that timestamps, answers, and any multiple choice or checkbox responses are showing up as expected. Now, to actually download the responses, go to the top left of the Google Sheets window and click on File. In the drop-down menu, hover over Download. You'll see several formats you can choose from, like Microsoft Excel, PDF, or a comma-separated values file, often called CSV. If you plan to analyze the data or use it in other tools, CSV or Excel are usually the best options. Click the format you prefer, and your browser will start downloading the file to your computer. Once the download finishes, open the file from your Downloads folder to confirm everything looks good. From here, you can share the file with others, back it up, or import it into another system for more advanced analysis. And that's all you need to do to download your Google Form responses quickly and reliably.